Hello, everyone. I hope you and your loved ones are staying safe and healthy during this pandemic. I would like to take this opportunity to provide a brief update on research for this coming summer and fall. The transition during this pandemic has been challenging, but faculty have worked very hard to adapt their research projects, including externally funded projects, into online platform and other alternative means of operation where possible. We have seen an increase in no-cost extensions and other flexibilities granted by funding agencies, as well as a commitment from the surrounding research community to share their best practices and provide helpful resources to one another as we explore what research looks like during this pandemic. No two research projects are alike, and therefore the needs of our students, faculty, and research community on campus vary greatly. It has been important to allow flexibility where possible so that each project can continue while maintaining social distancing and other safety measures. The Office of Research and Sponsor Program will offer guidelines for research and sponsor activities by implementing a ramp-up phase approach for all research, especially laboratory research on campus. We are optimistic that as the COVID-19 situation improves, we can allow for time-sensitive and essential research to continue in our labs and in other parts of the campus with strict safety restrictions in place. Each phase will be guided by federal, state, and local health authorities, as well as the larger campus efforts to repopulate the campus. But it will be flexible enough so that if we need to ramp down in the event things do not improve, we can do so. We'll keep most of our compliance operations, including human and animal research review process and responsible conduct research training, online. The Office of Research and Sponsor Programs will continue to provide virtual support services for all faculty, students, staff, and the campus community. We encourage everyone to visit our website for information as we update it with new research guidelines on our campus. We also encourage everyone to contact our sponsor program and research compliance staff with any questions or requests for information. Our primary message is to contact ORSP, seek guidance from specific funders, and work with our campus service providers in order to optimize the resources you need for your research to continue. Each sponsor and each department on campus is also working towards optimizing their telecommuting services, and it can be confusing to coordinate them all, but ORSP is here to help with that process. We are happy to report that our faculty continue to be active in seeking new funding opportunities for research, in spite of the challenges COVID-19 has presented. We will continue to find ways to support everyone as we move forward, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to implement our plans of ramping up research throughout the summer and the fall. But we understand that with limited students, staff, and faculty on campus, much of the research taking place will be in laboratories, following strict social distancing protocols, in online communities, and in many cases, in the homes of our students and faculty. Animal research facilities will remain open, and our compliance staff will continue to provide support for ongoing animal research projects. Compliance staff will continue to facilitate IRB, IACUC, and IBC protocol submissions and approval. Our goal is to keep all members of the campus community safe while increasing research activity in a phased approach. I plan to issue a memo describing our approach to ramp up research activities in a few weeks. Thank you, and stay safe and healthy.